Did you know that according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, kids between the ages of 2 and 18 spend an average of 3 hours a day watching TV? In a 3-year national TV study, the AAP found that children's shows had the most violence. Some cartoons averaged 20 violent acts an hour. By the age of 18, kids will have seen 16,000 murders on TV and 200,000 acts of violence. That is crazy. There is decent evidence to support that exposure to these violent medias makes kids more aggressive. Kids who see too much violence on TV have a problem with moral reasoning. Kids are learning that it's normal to use violence to solve problems. Violence in the media is causing kids to become frightened, and this can lead to the child thinking the world is a dark, bad place, and this thinking can lead to depression. Violent media is causing aggression in children. Kids grow up. Aggression in kids can lead to aggressive adults. There is too much violence in the media. It needs to change.